Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are looking at how to quickly insert a tick symbol in Microsoft Word. We will cover the fastest default shortcut and how to create your own custom keyboard shortcut. The absolute fastest way without changing any settings is using the built-in character code. Type the numbers 2713, then press the Alt key and the X key together. The numbers will instantly change into a standard checkmark. For a bold checkmark, type 2714, then press Alt and X. If you prefer to set up your own custom hotkey, here is the setup. Go to the Insert tab on the top ribbon. Click on Symbol on the far right, then select More Symbols. Change the font drop-down menu to Wingdings 2. Scroll until you find the tick symbol you like, and click to highlight it. Instead of clicking Insert, click the button that says Shortcut Key. In the box labeled Press New Shortcut Key, press your preferred combination, such as Ctrl and the number 3. Click Assign, then close the windows. Now, whenever you press Ctrl 3, your chosen tick symbol will instantly appear in your document. Subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tutorials